hands full in terms of data. And there's the first tick on the index. As we said, absolutely flat. Little bit of a negative bias now clocking in for the Nifty, down about 20 odd points. The Sensex is down about 80 odd points. Let's take it straight to the list of gainers. First up, as I said, Bajaj Twins looking good. Bajaj Finserv up 1.5%. Dr. Reddy's has come back in a big way, so up about 0.5% for Dr. Reddy's this morning. Power Grid, JSW Steel, NTPC, Cipla, all trending in the green right now. And then you have something like an SBI Life that's also holding up in the green. On the downside, Divis Labs is down almost about 2.5%. So that's your biggest Nifty loser at the moment. ICICI Bank is coming in for some profit taking. Britannia, Apollo Hospitals, L&T, little bit of profit taking. L&T has had a really strong run. It's up 42% in 2023 already. Tata Steel, Eicher Motors, HDFC Bank and ONGC are a couple of other names that are in the red right now. But otherwise, it is a little bit of a lackluster market, down about 40 odd points. The Sensex is down about 140 points, but we have big gains under our belt, so just a little bit of profit taking.
Well, that's right. So I think Nykaa is the big stock this morning. That's up close to around 4%. Jamna Auto, the volumes are unusually high actually. So that stock's up close to around 5%. You know whether there's some news flow that one is bobbing around. You have Indocount that's up close to around 6%. Larger than expected volumes even out there. Pull up a few more names. Suzlon now is a 37 rupee stock. You know, that one, in fact, in the first tick itself, volumes more than, I think, close to around a crore shares getting traded out there. So that's another stock out there. On the losing end, SEPC, in the last hour of trade, the stock did see a big sell-off. Remember, this one has moved up one way, but yesterday it was at lower circuit, I think. So it opened up at lower circuit and now it's seeing a bit of a recovery. So keep an eye out on them. Some of these names have seen a big run for this month. It's up close to around 25%. A few more notable movers this morning. Kesoram, last few days it's been moving from circuit to circuit. Volumes are very high. The street is very hopeful that they can come up with some equity funding. Maybe, in fact, they can get a refinance done as well. For the time being, it's not opened up at circuit. For the last couple of sessions, it's been in that 5% odd band. The markets, though, have moved lower. The Nifty is down close to around 60 points. The good news, though, is that you have way more number of stocks that are advancing than declining, and the breadth of the market is quite good. One stock from the broader markets, GSPL, I think it came out with numbers. The stock is up close to around 4%, so that's the big mover out there. And Bharat Forge has come in for about a profit taking. That one's down close to around 4%. Rima, what else?
Sale has opened with a cut of about 2.5–3%, and it's opened up on pretty large volumes on the way down. Citi has